Orchestra Workshop during June 1 to 5, and this one is hosted in Davao City by the Berian Buhangin Bible Baptist Church in partnership with Iloilo Baptist Church Orchestra. So if you didn't know, previous videos, the previous vlogs, me, Yugi, and Don were making or were graphic designing a backdrop because that was the time nag-near na ang Orchestra Workshop. It was a pretty good week, to be honest. It was very nice to see more people learning their instruments and improving with their instruments for the honor and glory of God, Sela Music Ministries. So day 1, we went to church as early as possible to prepare for the workshop proper. Actually, before day 1, the pre-production for that, we made a photo booth. We designed the backdrop for the media. Nag-design tarpaulin. Kato, that was for the pre-production. We had a lot of things going on for pre-production. Day 1, we continued that, and then the guests came in the afternoon. So mga 12 p.m. na mga registered participants nga ni-appeal sa workshop. They went to the auditorium, and that's where it all started. I didn't really record all of the happening or the events. I was busy with the media. I was part of the documentation team again. Nag-take of photos, nag-take of videos because as usual, every after event we're going to make a memorable photos and videos for them to look upon in the future. During day 1, madalayed man ang mga mentors from Iloilo Baptist Church Orchestra, we impromptu the MCing.
Hi, my name is Yogi and we're going to review you. So I have a question. What instrument are you going to be playing right now?
Piano.
Wow! If you are given a chance to get zero, well, I'll get one answer.
There na, nalingaw mi until nakabot na ang mga taga Iloilo Baptist Church. Now, these mentors are very, very good with their instruments. And we thank God, these instrumentalists, these mentors were able to come to Davao so that they could teach as well and help improve other church members for the honor and glory of God with their instruments sa ilang music ministry, sa orchestra nila. And after day 1, sa evening, I posted as fast as I can for the social media posts. What I've learned from school, what I've learned from previous orchestra workshops as well, I applied it to this orchestra workshop so that nindot ang event. Then for day 2, same thing. Got to wear our uniforms. Nag-uniform me. We wear the uniform for Berian Buhangin Orchestra, and then we took photos, took videos. Ang naapila sa among documentation team is si Lance Ancheta, tapos si Leomar. Si Leomar is one of the mentors po sa workshop during sa Butuan nga workshop, and also naapil po siya diri sa Davao nga workshop. And then in his free time nag-online siya, nag-photo po siya, nag-photo siya, nag-video. So thank you guys so much for helping me with the photos. Nice yung quality sa events run kay naanatay photos and videos, and I really thank God na magamit ang amo ang talents, among skills for these kind of opportunities. Okay, so it's currently day 2. This is my life as a media documentation, as a part of the documentation team for the workshop. So right now I'm transferring files and then edit and then post for day 2 warm-ups and devotional. Third day was Wednesday. Now during Wednesday, same thing happened. Nagkuhan yapon me photo and video, and then after that, we practice because in the evening service, play me of prelude and postlude for the evening service, the Wednesday service. Now, this was including the Iloilo Baptist Church and Liberty Bible Baptist Church of Jensan. Tapos, Berian Buhangin o ang Bible Baptist Church Butuan. Nice to play for the honor and glory of God with these people who are striving and improving to do their best for God's glory good. Okay guys, so currently tonight rather, I'm going to be editing for work, and I have finished posting the photos from kanina morning and afternoon sa Orchestra Workshop. After that, I'm going to be editing an SVE for Friday ang Orchestra Workshop Recital. So yes, Lord willing, this is going to be good. This is going to be great. I hope it will all turn out fine. Although there are times na may nakaitulog na, pero I have to do this for the honor and glory of God. Yeah. Fourth day, sa afternoon ako sulod, and so nag-photos gyapon, nag-videos, and then nag-practice ang mga orchestra members nga nag-register for their recital. Because last day, which is Friday, diha muli man ang mga Iloilo Baptist Church orchestra members na mentors na mo. Whole Thursday na-practice sila sa ilang pieces. Actually, yabi ko practice sa fourth day lang because I didn't think nga makapil ko play sa trombone ko ba. Kay wala man ko nag-register. Akong brother naman nag-register. Ako nag-focus naman ko sa documentation team. So however, I was given the opportunity to play the trombone solo and to practice as well. Basta sa buntag.
Ay! Hayop, day ko kay flats. Gitri na ako ang akong kuan. $39. Sumukha eh?
Fifth day. No, sa fifth day, diha namin ready for recital. I was again the MC for the recital and the event proper good. We had different performances from different instrumentalists. We even had performances from the Iloilo Baptist Church Orchestra members. And then, nag-play with me sa Unified Orchestra, which was amazing, which was a very great opportunity. The videos that I posted, the videos that I uploaded to YouTube, if you see that, go watch it. Those were the performances during that recital. It was a nice opportunity, and I thank God allow niya maka-appeal ng event. Those were the things that happened during the Orchestra Workshop. It's a very great event, and it was a God-glorifying event, dude. And I thank God for the opportunity. I thank Berean Bible Baptist Church of Buhangin, Iloilo Baptist Church Orchestra as well for that event nga ilang gipa make happen bitaw. And I believe God made that happen for a reason, and that is to improve our music skills for His honor and glory. Now, if you're thinking, Cyrus, anong very active ka sa ministries? Well, as usual, always put God first in your life. Matthew 6:33, seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. You may see me more focused on church events, workshops, orchestral workshops. Well, I made a covenant that I'm going to put God first in my life as always. Though there are times nga dili na ako na makaya, I still strive because I'm just an imperfect person serving a perfect God. And I hope that this video, this recap video, will be a blessing to you and an encouragement as well, that in your life you should seek God first also. So that would be all. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.